bound by this. Rules of the Senate. The officers of the Senate shall be elected by the majority votes of all its members. Majority vote of all its members. Nagkaroon ba ng majority vote of all its members for any other officer? Wala. It's very simple. It's very simple. Huwag tayo magpapalito. Huwag tayo magpapagulo. Kaya nga nagkandagulo-gulo na yung hearing ko because somebody who's purporting to be the acting Senate President Pro Tem, when we have a Senate President Pro Tem, issued instructions that wala ng hearing. And then, this is last night. And then, pinayagan ituloy yung hearing ko. So, may mga nag-attend naman. But by 9:30 in the morning, may memo na naman na sinabing because there's no official business authorizing all employees to leave the Senate by 10 a.m. O, anong klase yan? Kasi nga, nag-iimbento sila ng script nila. We have a Senate President. It's Senator Alan Cayetano. We have a Senate President Pro Tempore. It is Senator Loren Legarda. We have a Secretary, Attorney Joel Montales. Clear lang tayo, guys.
Ma'am, tinawag po nilang bogus yung Blue Ribbon Committee hearing ngayon. Ano pong reaction?
Yeah, so, I love answering these questions. Thank you for answering these very important questions. I go back to the rules. Who were the elected officers of the Senate? We already discussed that, right? All members of the Senate must elect its officers. Senate President, Senate President Pro Tempore, and from there, we elect our chairmans of each committee. I was elected chairman of the Blue Ribbon Committee. So, chairman ako. Wala naman nagbago doon. Paano magbabago? Nag-hold sila ng some kind of gathering where 12 of them decided that there will be an acting Senate President. Then the 12 of them decide to change they can't even hold the session, guys. The person authorized to conduct a session is the Senate President, and in his absence is the Senate President Pro Tempore. In their absence, guys, it's the secretary under Rule 5. The secretary can be the one. Hindi yung may tatayo lang doon. That cannot be. Pag hindi kami nagkasundo, all of us can decide. We can have a vote to change the Senate President. That's all it takes. It's very simple. You just need 13 people to change the Senate President because the majority of the senators do not like the Senate President anymore. But you cannot decide, 3 kami, 5 kami, 12 kami, ayaw na namin, we will conduct our own session. Hindi pwede yun. Otherwise, we are lawless already. Sila nga ang yabang-yabang nila, lagi nila tinuturo yung rules, tapos hindi nila sinusundan. Okay guys, I think